The stock Honda Shadow is a pretty amazing motorcycle. However, I think we can all agree that they lack in one department: performance. After working on these bikes for almost 20 years, I've developed a very simple kit that'll help you guys get the max performance out of your bike. It's affordable and it's very simple to use. So why are so many cruisers sold not to get the most performance out of them? Well, basically there's this guy who's kind of like Skeletor, you know, and he's like, doesn't want He-Man to really enjoy life. So Skeletor makes some rules that He-Man has to abide by, and it's kind of a bummer. Do with that information what you will, folks, but basically, the companies that are selling you bikes have to abide by some certain rules, okay? And those rules aren't really designed to allow a motorcycle to run its best. If you actually tune a bike, you're allowing that engine to run at peak performance, and peak performance is actually very efficient. When you try to choke an engine down or run it overly rich or lean, you are actually reducing that engine's ability to run its best. So we've developed this kit with you guys in mind. A, is it affordable? B, is it easy to install? And C, does it give you the maximum performance out of your bike? And I think this kit hits all three of those. Now, I know I've been working on these bikes for almost 20 years, but I do believe that if you're not learning, you're dying. So I know how I like to work on these bikes and what I think helps, but I'd like to hear if you guys have any other techniques for getting the best performance out of your bike. Now, by the time this video actually gets onto the internet, we'll probably have come out with several more kits. So head over to TJ Brutal Customs and check out what we got for your bike. Let's take a look at what's in this kit. Now, bear in mind, I'm just showing you one of our kits. Most of these kits are highly customizable. We have exhaust in chrome, which I have here. This is a beautiful hexavalent chrome, beautiful chrome on this. You can choose from multiple finishes: chrome, Cerakote, stainless steel, and we also have beautiful velocity stacks, which are available in multiple finishes as well. And this is the rear pipe to these VT600 exhausts. Now, we've got this kit for many models out there. That includes the VT600, the Spirit models, the Ace, the Arrow, the Phantom, the beloved VT600, and we do have some Harley models coming out soon. We also have multiple models of exhausts for these bikes. Some bikes may have dump out variations, straight cuts. We have some high-low drags for certain models. We have boot burners, we have backdrafts. So head over to TJ Brutal Customs and check out the different models because there's a lot of options for you guys. Now, moving along here, we also have a performance tuning kit. Now, in this, it includes everything you're gonna need to tune up your bike to run properly and get the maximum performance out of that Honda Shadow. One of the things that's really important about this kit, this is a performance rebuild kit. This isn't just a handful of jets to throw in your carb and leave everything all crusty and gross. This kit actually includes new slide assemblies. That's a diaphragm, a needle, and the slide. It includes the jets. It includes the TJ Brutal Customs long handle mixture screws. It includes hardware, new float valves, everything you're gonna need to make sure your carbs are running tip-top. You're gonna ask yourself, what makes this kit so special? I'll tell you why. I personally love all the parts that are in here. There's some top quality stainless hardware. We've got great quality jets in here. The long handle mix screws are machined. They're black anodized. They're absolutely beautiful. And they make the tuning process 1,000 times easier. The vacuum plugs in this kit, you may look at these and go, oh, they're just some vinyl plugs. No, they're actually vacuum plugs that are designed to withstand heat, solvents, and fuel. The slide diaphragms, the slide assemblies, the needles, phenomenal quality. This is the stuff I prefer to use, and that's why I'm including it in this kit. Now, really quick, guys, if you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe, please. It helps us know that we're making the right content for you guys and doing stuff that actually matters to you. Another thing that's gonna come in your max performance kit is, nope, those aren't springs, those are exhaust gaskets. That's right. You really need these to ensure you don't have any exhaust leaks. If you don't change your exhaust gaskets, what's gonna happen is you have a high likelihood of developing an exhaust leak, which will hamper your efforts to tune the bike properly. Also sounds like a bunch of ripping paper going down the wind, and that's not very manly. So we include free exhaust gaskets with this kit. And make sure you pull the old ones out before you put the new ones in. Now, I know I told you guys this kit would save you money, and as of right now, buying this kit saves you well over $100. As opposed to buying each little piece and then wondering, did you get the right parts? And, oh, I got the wrong thing, or oh, I forgot the exhaust gaskets. We make it way simple for you guys to not only save money, but have a damn good time on your bike. All right, now as if this wasn't enough for you guys, I know a lot of you have gotten to the point where you're like, yeah, I'm gonna pull the trigger on getting those parts, but I got a ride coming up in 2 weeks. Well, these kits ship on average within 2 days. So you're not gonna be waiting 6 weeks for a bunch of parts, hoping they fit, missing all the rides, riding season opens, you wanna hit the road. We have these in stock and ready to ship. Now I wanted to make sure that these kits were easy for you guys to install. So I've made a bunch of great videos that are on our YouTube channel that show you guys step by step how to install the exhaust, the velocity stacks, the tuning kit, and furthermore, how to do those processes without breaking the bank. We also have videos on how to tune those bikes. Click the links below if you want to check the videos out. Now I just want to let you guys know, I'm not just throwing this thing out here like, yeah, it's a cool kit, get it, because the cool guys are doing it. No, this is actually the stuff I put on my own bikes. I install this exhaust, the velocity stacks, and a rebuild kit on every freaking bike I have. I think you guys are gonna get a lot out of it. You're gonna enjoy your bike way more and have a hell of a lot more fun. So you guys are welcome to check these out at TJ Brutal Customs. Look up Max Performance Kit, see if we got something that tickles your pickle, and I forgot what else I was supposed to say. Aha! Remembered what I was supposed to say. Okay, so if you're interested in checking out the Max Performance Kits, you can look them up on TJ Brutal Customs and just search Max Performance Kit, or you could hit the links in the description of this very video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.